What's going on, guys? How are you? How are you doing? This is Shocks, and this is ShocksCapital YouTube channel. I welcome you back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about V100 and the OTE, the optimum trade entry method. So what we are going to do is we're going to talk about how we can catch trades on V100 using the Fibonacci and the OTE trade levels. So what we're going to do is you open up your chart, your V100 chart. You are going to find the first explosive move when the day opens, right? So the day opens here on the black line. It moves. So the first explosive move after the last high, you're going to use you're going to drag your Fibonacci like this on the first explosive move of the day, and you expect a retracement to an area that you are going to be calling the OTE. So guys, welcome back, and if you are new to this channel, be sure to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, share this video, like it, and I hope it will be helpful to you. So what I was just saying is you have to find, or you have to identify an explosive move that you see on your chart from the beginning of the day. So the days will begin on 0000 GMT, right? So you look for the explosive moves, and remember when we talked about timing of your trades on that other video we did here on this channel. So you're going to find that, and after you find the explosive video, the explosive move that you are going to be identifying from your chart, right? You are going to mark out a Fibonacci. So when you mark out a Fibonacci like this, you have settings like you are going to be having 0, 50, 60, 1.8, 79.0, and 100. So as someone who has traded order blocks before, what you're going to be looking for is the OTE, which is the area between 61.8 and 79 percent. So this is the area that you are worried about. So you drag you are going to be dragging your Fibonacci from the low to the high, or from the high to the low, depending on how the explosive first move would have occurred, right? So in this case, we have this low, which is the lowest of the day, and this being the highest of the day. So when you do this, maybe price will be retracing, maybe to be here, going down like this. So if price is not retracing, or if we use a high that is not the proper high of the day, right, price is not going to retrace back to your entry point. So when you drag from the low to the high, like you are seeing here, so this is being the low, the 0, the high being the 100, you are going to be looking in this area 61 and 79. So what you're going to be seeing is you are going to be getting your trades inside the yellow zone, and your stop loss is going to go below the 79 percent area. So it's either you are going to put your stop loss below 79, or you are going to be using any low that is close to 79 to base your stop loss. So from what you are seeing here, number one, we can put our stop loss just below 79 like this, or we can use this low and base it for our stop loss like this. So you could have taken this trade, or you could have taken this one. So both would have worked out, but I would have preferred this one. Why? Because it did get into our zone. And if you look at it closely, you can see that this is a flippy area again. So this will help you in looking out for confirmations or confluences to your OTE trades, right? So that is for this day. Then go to the next day. What do you see here? There is an explosive move, yes, but do we have something that we can base our Fibonacci on? A clear high and a clear low. On this one, we don't have, because it just started the day going up. We want a scenario where price maybe goes up like that, then goes down with the explosive move. This straight away movement is good, but we are not going to be considering that for starters. from what we are going to be doing here. So we want a force move, then an explosive move, like what we have here. We have a force move down, this one, then an explosive move up. So here that this was just a straight away, so we are going to be avoiding that. Right, on this one, this was the explosive this was the explosive move. So what do you see? You see price making sure or giving you signs of of going down, or a bearish move down, like what you are seeing here. This is what price is giving you signs of going down. So this is the force move. Then it makes an aggressive move, an explosive move up like that. And what you are going to do is you're going to be dragging your Fibonacci from the low to the high, and this is your 61.79 area. Even if price is not going that direction in terms of trend, you are going to see some reactions between the 61.8 and the 79 area. So if you look closely, you can see that we also have an order block inside that one, inside that area. So what you could have done is you could have considered the OB inside the yellow zone again. Then if you look at this point, you can see that we have this high and we have this low, and the 61.8, the 61.8 and 79 area was in this area. So as either you were waiting for price to get back to this area for you to join this this sell that price was presenting, because we have a break of structure here and a liquidity trade on this high. So let's go to the next one. We have a move down like this. This is the force move. Then we have an explosive move up like that. This is it looks like the main move when you are looking at it after it had happened like this. So you drag your Fibonacci from 0 to 100, or from 0 to 100. So this is your 0 and this is your 100. Where is your 61.8? Your 61.8 is in this is in this area, from what you are seeing here. So this is what you are going to be using to enter your trades. And you can see that we have an order block in this area that you could have added as confluence to your OTE, optimum trade entry level, which is the area between the 61.8 and the 79 area. So you could have taken this trade and you could have made some money. So here we have a false move down. This is the false move, or the false trend that you can see. It looks like it's going down. It looks like it's breaking the laws and everything. Then it makes an explosive move up. So your job as a trader, as an ICT trader, as an institutional trader, is to wait for the move. You respond to the move, right? You don't guess where price is going. So what I'm telling you is you wait for what? You wait for this aggressive move. Then you drag your Fibonacci like what I'm showing you here. So this is the 61.1, the 61.8, and this is the 79. So this is the area you are concerned about on V100. This is the area you are concerned about, and look at what price did. So this was today, and if you are looking at charts, maybe you could have seen this, and you could have seen that we have a flip zone again in this area. So this is a very good confluence to add to your trade. So I will do a video again that shows you how to do the optimum trade entry and the flip zone, so that you guys can really understand what you're talking about. So let's look at V75 very quickly and see what if we can be having something of this nature, right? So this will treat it as the false move. Then from here to here was supposed to be our 0 to 100 move, this one. So remember, this is a V100 strategy, and I'm just trying to show you how it looks like on the V75. So we can do it here, and you see sometimes it's not working out as it was doing on V100. So let's stick to V100 and let's trade our strategy or our way on V100. Look at V75. It moves differently from what V100 does. So we are, as you can see, we are not getting those false moves and the relentless explosion move, we are not getting that. So what we are getting is just a move, or a move typical to what, to V75. But if you look at V100, it's a different story. That's why I said we have to stick to what, to V100, and to stick to the basics. So the basics is what we know and what we do, right? That's what we are doing. If you look at this, we have this as the first move, this. So after here, this is the explosive move that breaks on everything here. So you look at this and you drag your Fibonacci. This is the 61.8 area, and as you can see, we also have a what, a flippy area at that point. If that flip zone is another indication of what it's doing. So this is the first move, right? So it looks like it's going up, then it explodes here. So this is the move that we are waiting for, the explosion move. So we were waiting for price to get here and sell, and as you can see, price did not respect what we wanted. And here, drag your Fibonacci and see the magic of this. So 61.8 and 79, this is the area. So if you put your stop loss above the what, above the structure, you could have stayed in this trade, or you could have entered on the 61.8 and you could have been taken out on the 79 area. So it's up to you to decide how you are going to trade and how you are going to be seeing all this. And as you can see, 61.8, 79, and we have what, an order block here and a flip zone. This is what you are waiting for. You are just waiting for price to get to you, so that you can do whatever you want to do with price. So it depends on what you are doing, right? So this is what we are talking about, the 61.8 area. Sometimes price does retrace back to that area, sometimes it doesn't. So what you are just waiting for as a trader is to wait for those moments when price does return to your what, to your order blocks. So we are doing this here, and this is the 61.8 area and the flip zone. So this is what we are doing, guys. This is what I had for you today. I hope this was helpful. I hope to see you in the next video.